Nightmare number 2. The mast for that drill rig. Yes, Sandblast. It will be everywhere. I've already started. I was supposed to come and crack test the end of this yesterday. So that was a big rush job and it never happened. So today I've got all down this side. Majority that can hit that way. Got to stop here because we've got a gap in the door here. And all the shit goes out that way. So at the moment, as you can see where the helmet is and the hose, I'm going up through the guts. So all this, all the way through. Should probably take maybe a bit into tomorrow, and it should all be done. So there you go. Nightmare number 2. Big ass drill rig mast. Only just fit in here.